Ever tried to fix something and ended up making it worse? Maybe you dropped your phone, spilled your coffee, and broke the pen, all in 5 minutes. That's when people say, wow, you're all thumbs today. Welcome back to English with Bruce. If you want to sound confident, natural, and ready for real-world English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Today's idiom, all thumbs, meaning to be clumsy, awkward, or not good with your hands. Korean equivalent, 손재주가 없다. Business examples. I'm all thumbs at video editing, so I focus on writing the script and reviewing subtitles instead. I'm all thumbs with design tools, so I usually let our graphic team handle that. Everyday examples. I'm all thumbs when it comes to sewing. I can't even thread a needle. I'm all thumbs when it comes to putting together IKEA furniture. So next time you drop something or mess up a small task, just laugh and say, I'm all thumbs today. If you like this lesson, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and ring that bell icon so you never miss a new video. And make sure to catch Wednesday's Business English lesson. See you next time. And until then, stay positive, stay curious, and try not to be all thumbs.